Demons have always haunted our world. Until heroes arose to defend us. The first hunters created a shield to protect our world. The HUNTR.
It's time we fight the hunters where they least expect it. Go after the very thing that powers the HUNTR. The fans.
Let you steal our fans? You're gonna have to fight us for them.
You make me feel special.
Is that all you've got?
We need to make it
Just come kiss me and invite me. It's you and me in this world. 내게로 다시 와 take me. 날 구원할 거라면 Just come kiss me and invite me. Just come kiss me and invite me.